Hi my dear children, welcome to science class. What we have learned yesterday? Did you remember? Which lesson we are studying? Yes, lesson 6, human body ionic machine. Did you remember what we studied yesterday? Yes, we studied. There are 8 organ system, isn't it? And 2 systems, skeletal system and muscular system. 2 systems we studied yesterday. How many organ systems in our body? Yes, 8 organ system. Out of these 8, 2 we studied. Which are the skeletal system and muscular system. Did you read the textbook? Oh yes, you are good. Okay, then today we are going to take balance system. So first one is skeletal system and second one is muscular system. And third one is respiratory system. All of you say third one is respiratory system. Then all of you take your textbook and textbook page number 46. Okay, are you ready? Okay, the respiratory system. This system enables us to take oxygen and release carbon dioxide. The various organs involved in this system are nose, windpipe and lungs. The air we breathe in through our nose goes into the lungs passing through the windpipe. The oxygen mixes with the blood in the lungs and makes it oxygen rich. It brings back carbon dioxide and throws out this used air through the nose. We must breathe in and breathe out through nose as it filters the air. Okay, respiratory system. What is the use of respiratory system in our body? Yes, respiratory system help us to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in the air and breathe out the carbon dioxide. Which system help us to breathe in and breathe out? Yes, respiratory system. Respiratory system help us to breathe in and breathe out. Then mainly there are 3 organs that is related with our respiratory system. How many organs? Yes, 3 organs. First one is nose. Okay, we all know the oxygen is inhaled through nose. So first one is nose and second one is windpipe. All of you say second organ is windpipe. First one is nose, second one is windpipe and third one is lungs. So there are 3 main organs related with the respiratory system. 3 main organs which are the nose, windpipe and lungs. And when we inhale the gas through the nose, it passes through windpipe and finally reaches on lungs. Inhale gases through the nose and it passing through the windpipe and finally reaches on lungs. നോസിൽ കൂടി നമ്മൾ എടുക്കുന്ന ഗ്യാസ് വിൻഡ് പൈപ്പിൽ കൂടി പാസ് ചെയ്ത് ലങ്സിലെത്തും. So there are 3 main organs related with the respiratory system: nose, windpipe and lungs. Okay, then which gas we taken in? Yes, we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide, and this process is taken place through nose. We must breathe in and breathe out through nose as it filters the air. അതായത് നമ്മൾ നോസിൽ കൂടി ഇൻഹെയിൽ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നോസിനകത്ത് വച്ച് തന്നെ അത് ഫിൽട്ടർ ചെയ്യും. അതായത് ചെറിയ പൊടിപടലങ്ങളൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് നോസിനകത്ത് തടഞ്ഞു നിൽക്കും. But sometimes we inhale through our mouth now, like this way. Our mouth is always in open position now. It is not good. We must breathe in nose and breathe out through nose only. Okay, that is all about respiratory system. Okay, all of you understand respiratory system? Respiratory system it helps to the breathe in and breathe out gases, and there are mainly 3 organs related with the respiratory system: nose, windpipe and lungs. Then gases passing through the nose, and then again this passes through the windpipe, and finally it reaches on the lungs, and in the lungs it combines with the blood. This oxygen combines with the blood. That process taking place in the lungs. ഈ ഓക്സിജനും ബ്ലഡും ആയിട്ട് മിക്സ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. ആ പ്രോസസ്സ് നടക്കുന്നത് എവിടെയാണ്? That in the lungs. Okay, that's all about respiratory system. So next system is, how many organ system in our body? 8. Which one we studied? Skeletal system, muscular system and respiratory system. Then fourth one is digestive system. What is that? Digestive system. Digestion, that word is related with is our food. This digestion is related with the food. നമ്മൾ കഴിക്കുന്ന ഫുഡെല്ലാം ഡൈജസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. For that, this digestive system helps. For the digestion of food, which system helps us? Yes, digestive system helps us to digest food. Okay, look to the textbook, page number 47, the digestive system. The system changes the food we eat into simple form. The various organs which together make this system are mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. The food is chewed in the mouth cavity with the help of teeth and pushed into the food pipe. Saliva helps to swallow the food. The food on entering the stomach is changed into the simplest form, and absorption of digested food takes place in the small intestine. The undigested food is pushed into the large intestine and then thrown out of the body through anus. We must not overeat to keep our digestion fit. Okay, so the digestive system or digestion starts in where? Yes, it starts in mouth. Okay, digestion starts in mouth. In the mouth, this digestion start, or the food items mixed with the saliva. സലൈവയായിട്ട് ഉമിനീര് നിങ്ങൾ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവുമല്ലോ അല്ലേ? The food is mixed with the saliva in mouth, or when we are chewing the food, the saliva is mixing with the food items, and from the mouth it is pushed to food pipe. What is that? Food pipe. First one is mouth, and from the mouth this food is pushed to food pipe. But in the respiratory system we studied one pipe, which is the windpipe, and here in the digestive system it is food pipe. Okay, and from the food pipe, food is reaches on our stomach, where it is on our stomach, and from the stomach this food it is absorption takes place, and it is passing through the small intestine, and full digestion taken place, or absorption of food items taken place in small intestine. What is that? Small intestine. നിങ്ങൾ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? ചെറുകുടൽ എന്ന് പറയും intestine. Small intestine. Then നമുക്ക് വേണ്ട ഫുഡ് ഐറ്റംസിൻ്റെ വേണ്ട ഭാഗങ്ങളെല്ലാം ബോഡി അബ്സോർബ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഈ സ്മോൾ ഇൻറ്റസ്റ്റൈനിൽ വെച്ചിട്ടാണ്.